So, on my to-do list today is to clean the office for 30 minutes. And I'll get the bird up. But this is a priority right now because last night, I'll get to you in a minute, bud. Last night I saw a spider in the office. And I saw it and I immediately went, the room is yours, bud. I'm going to bed. So, my first docket for the day is to get a diffuser going in there with super mint. Because they don't like mint. So if I can get super mint going there, which is like ultra mint, and close the door, then the room is going to smell very minty, and they're going to be very mad and probably vacate the room so I can clean it. Now, I also know this could backfire, and they'll leave somewhere else in the house. But as long as it isn't where the bird is or my room, it's okay. So we're just going to turn that light off, close the door, and we're going to do our other important things today. Like getting the bird up while letting the diffuser do its thing. Good morning, Otis. Good morning, my little bird. Today is Wednesday, bud. Good mornings. Good mornings, my little Otis. Did you see Belle? Did you see Belle? Yeah. Did you see Belle? Did you catch her disease? Lift the foot, lower the foot. Good job. Good job, huh? Good job. Yeah. Good mornings. Yeah, good mornings, bud. Good morning, bud. Good morning. How is you? Do you have anything to say to your fans? Do you have anything to say to your fans? You're not in focus, dude. Get the bars are wanting to focus on the bars. Yeah, well, camera's trying to focus on the bars instead of on your beautiful face. There we go. There we go. Hi. Hi, do you have anything to say to your fans? Now you're like, subscribe. Subscribe. Lift the foot, lower the foot. Good job. Good job, bud. I'm trying to teach him a new trick, and now he just kind of randomly lifts his foot and holds it until I say lower the foot. Good job, bud. He's caught onto it pretty quick. Huh. Lift the foot, lower the foot. Lift the foot, lower the foot. Good job. Lift the foot. Lower the foot. 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 Good job. Lift the foot. Lower the foot. 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 Good job, bud. Lift the foot. Lower the foot. Oh, that was perfect. Good job. Lift the foot. Lower the foot. 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 Good job. I'll take it. All right, dude. Lift the foot, lower the foot. Good job. Silly bird. Silly bird. I got stuff I gotta do, bud. Lift the foot, lower the foot. Good job. Lift the foot, lower the foot. Good job. I gotta clean my computer. Yeah, bud, I gotta clean my computer. I know. I'm not looking forward to it either. But we gotta do it. Yeah, so we gotta go down to the dreaded office. Yeah, I'll be back up in a moment. I gotta recharge so I can stay hydrated. That's what's in that glass right there. It's lemon lime. Alright, so we gotta go all the way down here and turn this light on. So this bad boy right here. We gotta clean them out. We've got dusters. And we also have thermal paste. I believe it is time for us to put thermal paste in there. I can't remember the last time I did it. So I may have to make a note of that. But yeah, first things first, we gotta turn off that power strip there. Unplug all the cables from it. And pull it out and very carefully take it upstairs. So that's the docket. We do need to clear off the table real quick. So it's like it's not too bad, but it's like it just needs to get wiped off of like any crumbs and stuff, so that doesn't get in the computer. We don't want that. But it's like, as far as like actually getting stuff off, I don't think that's a problem. So yeah, we're gonna get to it.